Morning. Welcome to the next tutorial. In this tutorial, cover I want to open one browser using implicit intent. So how to open this browser we can able to see here. Now I'm creating one project on the name of browser. Means like sometimes rate us, app rate us. If you want to rate some application, how we can open this? We could not give rating within our application because that should be Play Store one. That Play Store could not provided any API and all to give that. So because of that, we can able to do there itself, means in our their application. So in case of that, we may redirect it to that page. So how to redirect to that page, we'll show you here now. See, as usually, just in this XML, just I'm taking one just I want to take one image, one XML, one button. Simply here I'm taking one button. So like instead of camera, here I'm using that word as a browser. So I want to open some browser. So for this we'll apply data binding. So here I'm applying the data binding for this. So data binding, here I'm applying data binding dot enabled equal to true. So I apply data binding, then click on sync now. So once it is syncing now, then we add a listener. You can able to check this browser code how it happens. So now here I'm doing this binding. Then here now binding equal to data binding util dot. So then here I'm calling this main activity dot this. Then here simply I'm applying this binding dot browser dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener. Now here simple, the code is almost the same. Intent equal to new intent. So new intent. Then here I want to open this one. I want to open like next I will write this start activity of intent. Done. So now here I want to write this, how to open this. So here for that browser, so here we would open this intent. So here action we should call as a action. So action view, action in action, there is a view, we need to call that view. Just directly will write this action underscore view. So this is intent dot action underscore view. From here now what is that action? That is URI dot parse. We are parsing some URI. Like here something I'm writing this www dot andro indian andro indin androindian.com. That's it. It's finished. Now I'm able to run this program. What happens we can see. So here there is some rule. After running this program, I'll explain you that rule. What is that rule? How we can do that. But here it's a very simple way. We can open this. What happens if I open this? Automatically it can be open this. See here just before running this, just you can concentrate phone. See, just I'm opening this recent tabs. I'm clearing all recent tabs. Now no recent tabs found here. See, no recent tabs. Now what happens you can see here. Now this browser has opened. Just I click on this. Now it's closed. But why it is closed? Just we can go in a logcat. We can check this. Here there is a fatal exception main to check this. So it is saying this unable to find the explicit activity I will declared in manifest file. But as we discussed earlier, it is it could not be registered in a manifest file, right? Because it's a implicit intent. Implicit intent could not be registered in a manifest file. So because of that, what I'm doing here is just I open that website in a browser. Then here, so here I'm pasting that URL here. I'm pasting that URL here. Means must and should that URL contains HTTP or HTTPS. Without HTTP, without HTTPS, the program cannot treat your application as calling browser. Must and should, it should be having this. So then only it can say that it should be this. See, now I'm clicking on this. See, it's open default browser. If you don't have default browser on your phone, it may ask where we need to open. See, now I'm opening recent apps. There are two apps. One is the browser, one is our application. Means from our application, we are calling the browser. This is like same way. Whenever we want to give rating for any application, that rating we can give from here to here. So that is main advantage. So thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates. We'll see on the next video something about this implicit.